Hello, today we're in Chinatown, London. And we're just going to turn around. And if you head down past the Aberdeen Angus steakhouse to the right there, and then look at this. We've got all these lanterns above us. We're going to take a walk all around the Chinatown area, and I'll give you a bit of history about how Chinatown came to be here actually, because it didn't actually always used to be here. So Chinatown is an ethnic enclave in the city of Westminster. So it borders Soho and the Theatreland to the south and east. So that's near Piccadilly Circus. It's very close to Leicester Square also, and it's a great place to visit. And if you love Chinese food, then you really do need to come here. Lots of buffets, lots of shops that you can visit while you're here. Now, as you can see, all these lanterns above us there dictate the streets in Chinatown. They're everywhere. We're going to go past some of the entrances as well, the beautiful entrances. On the right there's actually an award-winning gay bar. But we're going to walk down here and get into the heart of Chinatown. So, as I said, this isn't the original Chinatown. The first one was actually located in Limehouse in the East End of London, and it was in around 1900 that it was very densely populated. It was near the Docklands, and all the Chinese sailors used to stop there and sort of took up residence as well. So it got very, very busy. There was actual opium dens, which were actually legal at the time. And then it was actually the Blitz in the Second World War that damaged Chinatown, and a lot of the people obviously moved away and set up sort of Chinese restaurants and everything in this area. So this is how this Chinatown sort of emerged. And it wasn't actually until 1970 really that it became the regular Chinatown as we know today. So it's right next to Soho as well. Basically, if you head towards Gerrard Street on Google Maps, you can't miss Chinatown. But lots of supermarkets, as you can see, lots of them to the right and the left. All these beautiful lanterns. It's a very wet day in London actually. It's been very, very wet, and we've actually been soaked a couple of times, but it's holding off at the moment, the rain. But as you can see from the ground, it is still quite wet on the floor. So it might be a bit windy as well, so please do excuse any wind noise. There's a little casino there we're just going past. But yeah, really quite a beautiful area of London to go and visit. We're just going to have a leisurely stroll around Chinatown. So this is a sort of side street heading into the main area. Ooh, that's a cool scooter thing. And yep, there's a few restaurants here. Nothing like what we'll see in a moment. There's a is that Leicester House to our left, and a Slug and Lettuce to the right. Bit of a chain pub there. There's a cool little sweet shop over here to the right. Yes. There we go, little sweet shop there. If you like Chinese food, as I say, lots and lots of buffets around here. You can go in, eat as much as you like for a certain amount of money. And here we are coming up to one of the main entrances in Chinatown. I'll just turn the camera around. There it is, isn't that quite beautiful? And this is sort of the main thoroughfare we're going to walk along now. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Thank you very much. Completely free to do so. So we're just going to continue our walk. As you can see now, on the left and the right, lots and lots of different types of Chinese restaurants, supermarkets. I think there's some souvenir shops here as well. I personally love Chinese food. It's a pity you can't actually smell the food. It actually smells amazing. It's making me quite hungry. There's a betting shop to our left there. All the signs on the tops of the buildings there, the street signs, etc., all have, I think it's Mandarin, as well as the English version of the street name. Look at these lovely, lovely lanterns. Quite a nice area to come in the evening when the sun goes down. Quite a busy area to visit. Also, the nightlife in London is amazing. A lovely looking Chinese restaurant. A lot of people still wearing masks, which is good, I suppose. You know, the pandemic is, I wouldn't say over, but it's not as prevalent as it used to be. But here we are, in the middle of London, with all this beautiful Chinese architecture and food. Look at those ducks in the window cooking. Lotus Garden. Sort of lion things there. Chinese lion things, what they are. A few restaurants to our left there, which have got some cover because of the rain. It's good. The Golden Phoenix, another restaurant. Lots of Chinese people around here from Asia. Not sure if they're actually residents or people from China visiting. Not sure. But, good to see. And we're coming up to a supermarket on the right. There we go. Lun Feng Supermarket. Lots of people love to take their sort of selfies in London with these big entrance structures here. Really quite good. Now we're sort of coming to the end of this walkway now, the end of Chinatown. So not a long walk today, but thank you very much for joining us. Hope you enjoyed it. Lots more content coming up very soon. So again, please subscribe, completely free to do so you don't miss any of that. Oh, nearly got one over there. Some Deliveroo bike trying to get me. But yes. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Bye now.